Hello Brazil, I'm Dr. Son from South Korea. I have over 20 years of experience and I'm the pioneer of UBE technique. Now I'm fulfilling a dream, visiting Brazil for the first time to share my knowledge with you. On October 4th and 5th, I will be joining the UBE Plus Special Edition. During this course, I will perform a live surgery on real patient with a broadcast to all participants, demonstrate UBE technique on fresh frozen cadaver, and take part in scientific debate and real case discussion with Brazilian spine surgeons. And I have special invitation to all the surgeons who have trained with me in South Korea. It will be great joy to meet you again in Brazil. Let's relive that learning experience together now on my first visit to your country. This is a unique opportunity. I hope to see all of you there. Thank you very much. Thank you.